this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, let's paint some monsters today. Boo-wah! Hey people, Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. We are doing the third logo today. Okay, so we are going to conquer and destroy. We're going for the clown this time. And after we're done with this one, it's time for computer work. So I'm going to bring you guys into that world as well. So we can do the logo and do all that other good stuff and make her cool. So hey, appreciate you coming on board. Please like and subscribe. And more coming. It's going to be a busy year. And I really appreciate you guys stopping on by. Check out the stuff in the description below. Join me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. And hey, check out Stuartizm.shop. And there's a bunch of new YouTubers that I have in the description below. Check those guys out. And hey, let's get this bad boy going. Thanks for coming on board. God bless.